Hi guys, I'm Dr. Adams, and today I'm here to talk about natural remedies that may replace healthcare. So, let me just put it out there. I grew up in Portland. I'm a country girl true till birth and beyond. I believe in natural remedies. When it comes to inflammation, which is very common because in a Jamaica, a lot of us we have arthritic pain as we grow older, or even for females, when it comes to our reproductive systems, some of us may have really painful periods. But what you eat matters. So stuff like red meat, those are known to cause inflammation in the body. And the fried food for all the KFC lovers that are out there. Yes, I'm throwing shade at everybody for KFC, Popeyes, and all other fast food restaurants that like their fried chicken. Those can actually cause inflammation in your body. So natural remedies that I recommend to combat those. For example, lime and lemon. Everybody love a nice cold lemonade. Or like all the time hot. Citrus based foods are known to help reduce inflammation in your body. For those of us who like our turmeric and our curry, that's also very good for our immune system. And then, last but not least, the infamous garlic. If you want your food to taste good, you need some seasoning in it. And it just so happens that those seasonings, they do help to bring down inflammation. These are my small little TED Talk tips for you.